Go ahead, take my name off the shift on the wall. Let him stand at the window and answer the call. He can take the whole floor, every room, every stair. But the promise I gave has no copy in there. They can hand him my chair and my badge and my name, but not the one promise I made before he came. You can write a man's hours down clean in a row. You can't order a stranger to carry what I know. You can hand him the desk and the door and the key. You can copy the file where they filed away me. Who stayed in the room when the room had turned cold? Who knew your whole face before the story was told? You can't hand a stranger the nights we stayed up, or the cold in the hall, or the chipped yellow cup. You can put him on shift, you can put him on call, but he wasn't downstairs when I took the whole fall. They cut him a key, and the key turns just fine. The lock does its job and the door falls in line. Then a voice in the hall says, I meant you, just you. And the word they wrote down for me splits into two. You can hand him the desk and the door and the key. You can copy the file where they filed away me. Who stayed in the room when the room had turned cold? Who knew your whole face before the story was told? So leave the shift open, don't fill in the line. Who stayed in the room when the room had turned cold? And what do you call it if worker won't hold? And the name on the file isn't his, isn't mine.